Yeah, there we go. Now it's working. You want to say anything to the camera?
I'm trying to put the smooth on it, trying to apply all the mechanics, and then when I look at it, I'm going to go, whoa. Sawmill, number 2 hole.
Sawmill hole number 2. That's what he said, in case you couldn't hear.
That was brutal. Well, they roll a long ways on the cart path.
Well, good thing that did show up on camera where the ball went.
Yeah. Should I video you? I don't know how.
Well, here, just hold it.
All right.
Just don't even touch anything, just hold it. Because it is rolling.
I think that's findable. We've hit better. We'll get better on the next videos.
Yeah.
What's the date, my boy?
We are on August 9th of 2012. My camera will save that date anyway, but...
Oh.